Here I've got to rotate triangle A, so this triangle here. So I'll trace that, and about 0,2, that's this point here, I've got to rotate it 180 degrees, doesn't matter if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. So basically I'll put my pen on 0,2 and spin that around. The top line here is horizontal, so it's going to end up being horizontal, and it's going to end up going to here. If you're not sure, just try it and just check. What does it say? Label it B. So label it B. Next we have to translate it by 0,4. The X bit, as we can see here, the X bit goes across, it shows it goes across. That's left right, so it doesn't move at all left right. And the Y bit is the up down bit, and it's positive, so it's going to go up. If it's negative, it would go down, but it's positive, it goes straight up. So I'm going to take that point there. I always choose just one point when I'm doing translation, because it's just like a slide. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. That one goes to there, and then I draw the rest of it in at this stage here, and it says label it C. And the final part of the question says describe fully the single transformation which maps A onto C. And you can see that it hasn't just flipped, well, it hasn't flipped over, it's spun round, so it's definitely going to be a rotation. And I need to know the angle, so I need to find out, trace it. Well, I've already got it traced once, so anyhow, but trace it and try and find what you can spin it around at. And if you spin it around that point there, you'll see that it does match up after 180 degrees. So it's 180 degrees. If that's half a turn, so it doesn't matter if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. And the center, you need to have a center, is a point where you spin it around the tracing paper. That's 0,4. And that's 5 done.